don't have a telephone. We disconnected from the telephone company after the last incident.
It's the bill for the payphone outside.
Payphone bill? But that's not my payphone. The city placed it outside on the sidewalk. I better head to City Hall to straighten things out. It's an extension cord. Someone dropped some money over here. Finders keepers. This is Larry Kentucky, one of our town's hobos. He lives in the box on the left.
Hey, it's a handmade paper house with a window, too.
Sorry, Larry. How are you today?
Fine. That damn phone kept ringing all night. I couldn't get any sleep, and now I'm hungry.
I'll take care of that stupid payphone. I'm going to City Hall. I'll turn the place upside down. Hello, Crazy Mom. It is I, your husband, Crazy Dad.
Crazy Dad, what a surprise. I went to see Madame Zelda today, the town's witch. I asked her if she could lift a curse that was put on me years ago. I told her I do. It was, I now pronounce you husband and wife.
You know, the kids asked me today how much it costs to get married.
So, what did you tell them?
I said, I don't know yet. I'm still paying for it. No more time for jokes. I have a mission to accomplish.
Why is her voice so darn deep?
Can I borrow your screwdriver?
Yes, why not?
Can I borrow your air pump?
Yes, but bring it back before 18 o'clock. I needed to do an 80s hairstyle for one of my clients.
Can I borrow your wrench?
Yes, but bring it back before 19 o'clock. I needed to do some adjustments to Frankenstein's hairdo.
I'm leaving. See you later, my love.
Bye for now, my darling.
Hey, Rocky Q, what's up?
Crazy Dad, my best customer. How are you?
You know the usual plotting schemes.
Kind of reminds me of Gizmo from Deponia.
Great. As you can probably see, I'm all out of merchandise right now. But I should get some cool stuff later today.
All right, perhaps I'll visit you again soon. See ya. Can I borrow your crowbar?
Of course you can.
That's a nice van.
Yes, it was specially designed for crazy schemes. Unfortunately, it is glued to the table, so you can't take it. Otherwise, I would have given it to you for free.
Hello.
A crazy hello to you, too. Want to buy a hamburger? I make the best hamburgers in town.
Probably the only hamburgers in town.
Why not give me one? The smell of your hamburgers is intoxicating.
That will be $5.
Here you go. Thank you. Hey, Larry, you said something about being hungry. Do you want this hamburger?
Sure, that would be great. Thanks. I, too, have something for you. A watering can.
Oh boy, that's great. I can use it to water my plants. And my kids. And my wife.
Hey, there's a line here. Wait for your turn.
Have you been waiting a long time?
Yes, and don't even think about taking my place. You can't buy my place with money or hamburgers.
Whatever. Have you been waiting a long time?
Yes, and I can't take it anymore. I'm so hungry.
Well, if you can't go to the burger shop, then let's give the burgers to him.
I found a soul inside, and now it's in my pocket. Problem solved. I should be an elevator technician. Got it.
Bravo, Crazy Dad.
I brought you this fan. It'll help you cool off.
Great, but wouldn't it be better if the fan faced me instead of the city hall doors?
No, it's better this way. You don't want to catch a cold.
You're right. Now all that's left to do is find a power source.
I dropped the extension cord over the handrail. Now the birds will have a place to stop for a drink.
Oh no, it looks like it's going to rain. And I have laundry to do. I better head back home.
Oh no, that smell, it makes me want to break my diet. I better head back home and lock all of the doors and windows.
Hello, crazy sir. How may I help you? I received a bill today. A bill for a payphone outside my house. I live at 421 Nut Street. My first name is Dad. Last name Crazy.
Well, if it's outside your house, you must pay it.
But why? It's a payphone. People pay to use it. How is it even possible to get a bill for a payphone?
Look, sir, I can't change the rules, but I am willing to bend them a bit in order to help you. If you help me. My lunch is trapped inside the fridge. I can't get it open. If you open it, I'll do my best to assist. Oh, thank you. Now I can have my lunch. Since you've been so nice, I'll cancel all of your payphone bills. But do mind that according to the computer, it is your phone. And I can't change that. Here is the payphone ownership certificate. Maybe you can sell it to someone.
Look at that.
Say, Larry, you want to be the legal owner of this payphone?
Yes, sure, thanks. Great. Now I can collect money from people who want to use this phone.
Good idea. Too bad I haven't thought of it, but never mind. You better answer it. It's your phone.
Hello? This is Larry, the owner of this phone.
Congratulations, Larry. I'm Gernardo from OK Radio, and you are our lucky winner. You just won $500,000.
Oh boy, thanks.